Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this gorgeous 1981 Chevrolet Camaro set up for the street with lots and lots of goodies. First off, the quality of the paint in very, very good condition. It's finished in a color called Richmond Red. It has a copper tint to the car, so it definitely is a custom color. Gorgeous black interior, bucket seats, console, odometer gauges. The motor on this car is a custom built 383 stroker, 400 crank, backed up with a turbo hydromatic 400 trans, shift kit with a 3800 stall converter. The motor has Hedman headers, power steering, power disc brakes, upgraded aluminum radiator, dual fans. For traction bars, it's got the Lakewood setup, tinted windows, along with a Kenwood radio on the interior. As you can see, the aggressive stance on the Camaro. I'm going to move in a little bit closer and I'm going to point out any defects in the paint with my finger. Let's go for a little walk. There's a little scratch there. Everything looks great there. Great reflection. Big Micket Thompsons in the back. No stress cracks on the body that I can see. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous red paint. Aluminum headed motor. Stainless steel hoses. Look at that cowl induction hood there. Big 4-inch. All the weather stripping looks great. Trunk is super solid. Look at this paint reflection. It's like a mirror on both sides. Trim wall looks good. Here's some touch-up paint. Door jambs look great. Door panels look excellent. No rot. Seat belts intact, front, back, package tray, 6x9s, tight headliner. Nice dash, tilt wheel. get this thing fired up. 97 miles since the build on the engine transmission. Turn signals work, headlights work, brake lights work, wipers do work, but you have to install the arms, hence the cowl induction hood. Radio functions. The heat has been deleted. It's a street machine, driven only on nice days. No horn on the car, okay? So if you need to get a horn working, you'll need to get that connected. Tire pressure good. We check the oil, we check the coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, speedo, RPM, temp, oil, fuel gauge, all function. New flywheel just installed and a new starter just installed. It's 25 degrees here, guys. It's cold. This thing sounds amazing, and it will snap your neck. Sport mirrors, very detailed engine compartments, and this gorgeous color, man. All right. Throttle is very responsive. You got almost 60 pounds of oil pressure. Volts meter's good, fuel gauge, water temp, everything that I already mentioned there. Suspension feels tight. I mean, this thing is like on rails. I'm not joking. I drive 300 to 400 cars a year doing what I do here at MGM. So when I tell you it's tight, it's tight. There's no doubt there. Brakes feel great on the car, as they should. Remember, it's got a 3800 stall in it. You can also drop this down to first gear and shift into second and then into third. And you got a shift light here that's nicely mounted right to the dash. Obviously, you guys know where we're located. We're at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. This thing handles real nice. Yeah, this ain't no joke. Guys, that's only a quarter throttle. There's a lot of cops around here. I'm not getting nuts. This video is not worth me getting a ticket. Maybe the car is, but not the... I'm just kidding. Car tracks down the road, nice and straight. My hands are off the steering wheel, and the car goes straight down the road, hitting any bumps. You don't hear any weird noises inside the car. There's no squeaking inside the car. really, really cool. Nicely built, guys. Whoever did this build really, really knew what they were doing. Actually, let me go this way. I want to get a longer ride in. Go through the neighborhood and turn around. Overheating problems. The car's holding at 180. Electric fans, like I mentioned. There's no bogging in the motor. It's tuned right. Anyway, take advantage of our driveway delivery. I'll need your zip code to send you a quote so we can get this thing out to you pretty quickly. We are insured, licensed, and bonded. So the car's insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. Let's see if I can squeeze out of this traffic here. I'm a little worried here. Lots of traffic. Whoa! Hope that wasn't a cop. Anyway, yeah, if you wanted to come down, or if you wanted us to deliver the car to you, we can. We'll need your zip code. If you're looking to finance the car, if your credit score is like a 580 to like a 625, you'll need half down. Okay. If you're 625 to 740, let's say, you'll need 10% down. If you're 740 and higher, no money down options are available with great rates and terms, no prepayment penalty. For those of you who are 580 credit score up to, let's say 580 to 625. No, I should say 580 to 650. No, let me rephrase that. Hold on. If you're looking for financing, if your credit score is from 580 to 725, fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. If you're over 725, go to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. So you can power shift, put the car all the way down to first, bang it to second, and then you can bang it to third. Okay? It's real easy. So all the way down to first, when you're ready to shift, push it up once, that's second, push it up one more time, that's third. Okay? Whoa, baby! You gotta heat up these tires. You gotta heat up this baby here. These Micket Thompsons, man. Whoa! Yeah, you guys are gonna have a lot of fun with this one. Trust me when I tell you. Alright, so if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. How do you do that? Click the red subscribe button, bottom right-hand corner. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. There you have it, guys. My 81 Chevy Camaro, custom built 383. All ready for car shows, long touring. Buy it, enjoy your life. It's short. Let's have some fun. Call me, text me at 847-848-1850. Thanks again for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.